Zoe, it's here.
What?
The Xbox.
Xbox.
Nico, are you excited? Yeah. Xbox time.
Xbox.
4K. Oh my god, Toy, we've got the 4Ks.
The 4K.
Oh my god. We got the 8Ks.
The 8K.
Yeah, that's like double the case.
So many.
We got, oh my god. Nico, leave me alone. We got the Xbox Velocity architecture. Ooh boy. We got 1 terabyte SSD, which is kind of sad to be honest. Let's be honest now.
Yeah.
Variable refresh rate, thank you AMD. 4K Blu-ray. Let's see what else is on the box. Oh my god, and you need to power your dreams with a game that won't be out for a couple of months.
Ooh-wee.
What's your opinion on Master Chief not being out? Boo. Oh my god. What does this say? The fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. That's French. We don't talk that here. Oh my god, what's this? Xbox. Oh my god, 4 generations of Xbox. Meanwhile, PlayStation's like, what is backwards compatibility? Let's flip this box.
We don't know the meaning of the word.
It's the fridge. Now, let's open her up. Him. What's the gender of a console?
It's a console. It doesn't have any concept of gender. It's not even alive.
Oh my god. I forgot that there's another sticker here. It's keeping me away from my goods. Oh my god, there's 2. Sorry, headphones, but it's Xbox time. There you go. Xbox time. Xbox time. Oh, oh my.
That packaging, though.
Oh my. Good job, Microsoft. Holy crap.
Top-notch packaging.
Well, I'm going to end this video here because I can't lift out the behemoth with one hand. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Say bye.
Bye.
Part 2 of Xbox time. Are you ready for Xbox time again?
Xbox time, everybody.
Xbox has left its containment, as I would call it, a containment breach.
That thing's freaking heavy.
It is so heavy. Holy crap. It's like solid. Power your dreams, more like power your gains. Let us... Oh, Jesus Christ. Let us undress it. Don't make... Watch out for copyright. Oh. Oh my, now it's really getting naked. Oh my god, I put it upside down.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Be careful.
There you go. Don't forget, subscribe if you want more quality streams. Even though this is not a stream, but it's quality. Here you go, Toby, you piece of fabric. Here it...
This is plastic.
Here it is. Look at that behemoth. Look at... Ooh, come and look, Toby. It's got like...
You know how we made fun of Apple for making Apple Mini
Tick.
into a trash can, essentially?
Yeah.
This is just a brick. It's a cinder block.
It is Microsoft's first break to laying a new foundation. They should really hire me for like the marketing.
No.
Yeah, look at it. It's got... Come on, Toby. Come and look. It's got like black plastic and it's like green in it.
Like textured?
Yeah. Can we see inside? Yeah, no, it's like colored.
It's really cool.
That's like ridiculously nice looking.
That is pretty cool.
Big fan.
Ow.
What else do we got here? Oh god. We got the HDMIs.
Seriously.
We got the Ethernet. We got the memory card. We got HDMI again. No, okay, nice. Super speed USB rather. Man, but this thing is heavy. Like, don't underestimate how heavy this thing is. Well, time to take a pause again and get the rest out. Part 3 of our nice recording. We got everything out of the box. Very nice packaging. Extremely solid. So, what else do you get in the box? What do you get in the box when you buy the Xbox? You get the Xbox. You get the new controller, which feels extremely nice. New D-pad. Nice. Let's see what else we got. HDMI cable, which by the way is ultra high speed, which as far as I have read online, that means it actually does support 4K 120 FPS, unlike Sony that doesn't bundle that. Power cord, yay. Let's see what else we got here. You got your warranty booklet that nobody ever reads. You got your starter manual that for some reason looks like it's supposed to go on a door at a hotel. And you get high quality Duracell. Oh my god, it's impossible to open this one-handed.
It is what it is.
But Microsoft has decided to keep AA's as powers, which in my opinion is better than built-in, because if the built-in battery on a PlayStation 5 controller ever breaks down, then you're screwed. Also look, this is how you know we're next gen boys. We got USB Type-C. But yes, Xbox unpacking is very satisfying.
Always.
Now it's time to hook it up. Part 4. I think we're at part 4 now.
Yes.
Part 4 of Xbox Series X unboxing. It is installed. It's a nice little monolith in the middle of it. And judging by how tall the PS5 is, this thing is not gonna fit. Oh, that sucks. Here we have the good old Xbox One X, the PS4 Pro, the Nintendo Switch, which is missing right now. Yeah. It is time for Xbox. Now is the TV going to go? Oh hey, new source.
Which source did you look it up on?
Oh, game console. It correctly knows it's a game console.
Good.
Oh my god, it's Xbox.
Xbox.
Next gen is here, Tori.
It's here.
Oh my god, it looks glorious.
Absolutely fantastic.
And now it broke and it's stuck at the screen. That would be funny.
Forever.
It's just the Xbox. It just shows you an image of Xbox. Yeah. 1080p. Then it's fixed. The Xbox. WTF, mate. I also like Michael's handprints to make them look like there was some Death Stranding crap.
That would be just how our son be.
Yep. I am scared, Tori. It still says Xbox. It's being very aggressive.
Being very aggressive.
Pay $500 for a box that just says Xbox. It's like Apple. You pay for the privilege. So, well, I'm gonna stop recording if this is gonna take a while to initialize.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, velocity architecture. Okay, so update 5, I think. Everything is running. The console has found its place. Games look 4K goodness. Awesome. Star Wars from Game Pass. Best deal in gaming. So let's see if I can. There we go. Let's try the quick resume thing. Bam. In the game. Let's go back to Star Wars. Quick resume. I'm sorry, but that's pretty epic. So yeah, the console is installed. I have some games on it. It runs absolutely smooth as hell. This thing is quiet. I haven't heard this fan ramp up once. So yeah, very happy with my purchase. Go Microsoft. And on the 19th, it's PlayStation 5 time. Which is not going to fit this cabinet, is it? Oh well. Here. Say bye to the people.